Hello everyone, I am Avijit. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Crafting with Avijit. Today is Promise Day, the 5th day of Valentine week. So I am making a Promise Day card. Let's get started. At first I am taking a 8 into 10 cm maroon craft paper and 7 into 9 cm of white craft paper. Now connect the two pieces using glue. Next, I am taking a 4 into 11 cm brown paper and marking 4 cm and 8 cm on this side. Now fold all the lines and cut a triangle shape on this side. Next, using black marker pen, draw dotted lines on all of the outlines. And paste a punched heart on it. Now I am taking a 3.5 into 9.5 cm white craft paper and fold it in 3 parts. And connect it on this and also connect it on the card. In the next, I take 2 red heart-shaped paper and attach on the card. At last, writing Happy Promise Day on the card with marker pen. Now our card is ready. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.